People, I just uploaded this video. It's with 4K to 4K, shot at 4K, rendered at 4K, 30 frames. And I just want to show you something that's really common. If you, let's see, it's only a 3-minute video. Just uploaded it. Okay, I did not want to do that, but let me click on the video and we'll load it in now. Okay, so what's going to happen sometimes, not with everybody, I want to show you how.
People, this is my
let me shut off the volume. So I'm going to go click on the wagon wheel over here, and you see how it says Auto 360. It shows the quality is 360. Don't freak out. I mean, I got a little worried for a second, but that's not a big issue. Okay, we are at 553. What is happening is the YouTube server, the YouTube system, is processing. Even though it showed that your video was going through processing and then it said done, publish, it is still processing. This can happen with 4K or 1080 or even bigger. So it's processing the video. And in a while, we're going to get the setting either 4K or 1080 or whatever it is. So it's not a big issue. Don't panic. Some people, if it's a really big file, you might end up waiting hours or a whole day. And if it's a small file, it could just take a couple minutes or an hour or so. So it's not a big issue. Not a big issue at all. I'm going to show you. Right now we're at 360p. Hold on. And that is the file. There's the file over there. It is 1.22 gig, 3 minutes 36 seconds. So I'm going to go over here now. I'm going to go click on Properties. This is the thing that you need to see. You're going to go to the Properties. I'm going to go click up here at Details. And there it is, 3840 by 2160. So you saw that I showed you at the end 29 frames, 30 frames a second. So you saw that I showed you it is the, there it is over there. And it's 3 minutes 36 seconds. So let's hold on a second. Okay, let's get my video showing. There's the 3 minutes 36 seconds. And we're looking at the, let's see if it's switched, if it's changed yet. Probably not, but maybe. Quality. Nope, hasn't. So I'm going to give it another couple minutes and we'll see. Here we go, people. Where is that? 3 minutes and 36 seconds, so you know it's the same video. And we zip on over to here, and quality 720, 1080. So it will switch from 360 once they process it. This small file took about 10 minutes, but you never know, you know? Okay, so this video is going to save a lot of people aggravation. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, leave a donation to my PayPal if you're awesome. Share this with everybody, and thanks for watching.